Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food Channel. Today I'm going to show you the best way to make Koobi, which is Ghana salted fish made with tilapia. You can make it at home. So let's get started. For this recipe you need fresh tilapias. So these ones have already been gutted by the fishmonger, and when I got home I washed it and pat dried it. Do not forget to pat dry it, it's very important. Then I lined my oven tray with some absorbent kitchen towel that I got online from Temu. Then I also decided to line it with kitchen paper. So I have doubled it up, as you can see here, and in total I'll be using 8 kitchen paper. But you can use anything like a cardboard or a basket, anything that can absorb the excess water. Next, using coarse sea salt, I'm going to create a salt bed, just as you see here. You could use any type of salt. You can use fine salt if you want. They also have rock salt, extra coarse one, but I'm just using this one. And I bought it from Amazon, 3 packets. Next, I am going to place the fish on the seabed, and then I'm going to add the salt. So always start by the gut area. Make sure you add a lot of salt because it's very important. If there is not enough salt, it's going to rot and your Koobi process is not going to work. So make sure you add a lot of salt everywhere, every corner of the tilapia. And I repeat it is very important. In the head, in the guts, and after you've done that, add it all around the fish, everywhere. Do not miss any corner, even the tail, baby. And then I'm going to flip the fish over and repeat the same process on the other side. And by the way, each box of coarse salt is 450 grams. So yeah, I've got enough salt for the whole process. Right, friends, I have done it for the 2 tilapias. Next, I am going to cover the fish with some more kitchen paper. I believe in the, what they call it, paper towel. I'm not too sure, but this is how we call it here in the UK. And same as in the beginning, I'm going to double it, and now I use only 6. And then last but not least, I am going to cover it again with another absorbent kitchen towel. And if you want the link, I'm going to leave it in the comment section so you can get yourself the same ones. They are very good at absorbing water. And then since I want my Koobi to be very flat, I'm going to put some weight on it, and I'm going to use 2 bottles of water, which are 2 liters each. Next, I'm going to store my Koobi at the bottom of my oven. It's a dark area with some air for 4 days. Hey guys, this is 4 days later and I can't wait to check on my Koobi. So I'm first going to remove the 4 liters of water, and then let's see how the Koobi did. And so far so good. I really like what I'm seeing. I'm going to show you a close-up. So let's see. It's very hard. The kitchen towel and kitchen paper did an amazing job. It is really like I wanted it. And this is the other side, and as you can see, it is nice and flat, just as I wanted it to be. both Kobe's look amazing. And here is a close-up for you so you can see what I mean. Look at this. It's not even done yet, but it looks great already. So now I am just going to remove the salt I put in the gut area. That one is still a little bit moist, just a little bit, but I just want to remove it. You don't have to, but this is how I prefer to do it when I'm making Koobi. So I'm going to do it for both Koobi. At this point I don't call it tilapia anymore, it is Koobi. So yeah, it is so easy to make your own Koobi because it's so expensive when you have to buy it outside. Oh guys, so next I am going to create another salt bed on my plate. I've just got 2 Koobi, so that's why I'm using just a regular large plate. Not too much salt, just a little bit to create a seabed. And then I am going to place my 2 Koobi on it, just like that. Very simple. And then I'll take just some of the salt I have on my tray. These ones are not wet, so I'm just going to sprinkle some on the Koobi, just like this, not too much. Next I am going to leave it to dry outside, and surprisingly the weather in the UK was amazing. It was so hot and warm, so I found the perfect spot in my garden, and I covered it with some food cover. You know, the flies are not our friends, and since I'm a paranoid, I use 2 food tents just to be sure I'm not gonna have to fight with the flies. So we'll come back after 3 days. Hey guys, look at my Koobi. It looks amazing. This is exactly how it should be in my own opinion. So let's go back inside and look at it properly. So this is it, a close-up, perfectly made Koobi, homemade one, Mrs. Jube one, and I really hope that you guys are going to try it. Look at the inside, it's just perfect, just like the ones I buy in the supermarket or at the African stores. Perfect. So now this is how I store it. I usually store it in Ziploc bags, but you do as you want. I'm just going to place my 2 Koobi in the bag, and then I'm gonna store it in the fridge or in the freezer until it is the right time for me to use it. And that's it. Tilapia is ready. It's excellent. So thank you all for watching this recipe. I really hope you are going to try it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up, share my videos, leave me comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.